I'm putting these MIKKUPPA lug nuts on, replacing these old nasty looking ones. Believe it or not, these are actually just a microgram lighter than these are, possibly because this end is capped and this is not. So anyway, but I like the new ones here. You can actually do one bolt at a time. Putting them on here, um, it does take a little bit of effort. I had to put a shoe on this to get some of these unloosened because they were so tightened down with an impact wrench. So, but anyway, I'll let you see what they look like. The front one's already done. So I took the caps off because I don't need them. They're kind of breaking anyway. I painted the wheels. Looks like I may need to do a little touch up there. Once I get the tires swapped out and get these lead weights moved, I'll redo them again. But they look kind of like the old 80s BMW. So anyway, let me finish up here. It's really very easy. Got a little wrench from Amazon, and then I have to put a foot here and my hand here to kind of release it. Otherwise, I'd have to take it into the shop. So, but they're starting to look good. This is basically how I do it. So, get an arm here, a foot over here. It's nice and tight, and pull. There we go. All right. Hand tightening on. Take it off. Hand tighten another one on. Once you get it tightened up on there. Give it as much pressure as you can. Putting it back on there. Anyway, almost finished these passenger front right. So I'll finish up in a minute, show you the last of the tires. One thing that's cool about having a 4-lug nut car is you got extras in case somebody gives you someone else's lug nuts on your car. You got 4 extra, one for each tire, in case you need another one. But it took about 15 to 20 minutes. A little bit of foot and arm pressure to get that off. You really don't have to jack up your car as long as you do one bolt at a time, and go back around and make sure you tightened everything back up, because I did find where I could probably tighten maybe another quarter turn, if that, or eighth of a turn to tighten them up. But anyway, nice little bolts. I definitely recommend them. They're a little pretty. I'd like to have the ends maybe cut out. Don't really need but it does protect the bolt, I guess, from rust or something. But anyway, it looks pretty good, and it's about the same weight as the old school stock Ford lug nuts. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it.